What's going on, guys? It's Shake here. I'm back in the shop again today. I'm actually working on the FTRX7 wheel bearings. But while I was at the shop, Bale stopped by. If you remember Bale, we started filming his K20 supercharged swapped FRS time attack build. And you guys have been asking me, like, what's going on with the FRS? It has now been replaced with S2000. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on with the build right now, because a lot of you are curious.
This is the race car for 2018. There's a couple of delays with the FRS the last couple of years. Cage delay, dry sump being quietly delayed from the UK. So all that should be coming in by two weeks, and we're gonna start the process on getting all that back together again. But for 2018, I'm gonna put a K24 supercharged into here. Basically do all the simple aerials. I got the smooth front end, Jay's Racing rear fender flares, side skirts. It'll probably be about 500 horsepower.
Hold on, so this is the same engine that's what's gonna go into FRS?
Yeah, this was gonna go into FRS, but the plans for the FRS now is gonna be an unlimited car. Yeah. So I want to build a K20 turbo for that. Try to push about 700, 800 horsepower. Did
you guys hear that? So the FRS build is going to continue as a K20 turbocharged setup.
Yeah.
And on the side, he's building S2000 with K-swap again, because you want to race.
This will be the time attack car for this year, and then over the winter, I'm going to change it over to a wheel-to-wheel car. The FRS will be a strictly time attack unlimited car. Eventually,
he's going to have 2 race cars. So he's going to have 2 builds, and I'm going to be back here in 2 weeks when he gets FRS back from being caged, to continue the FRS build. But I want to show you the sweet S2000 that's sitting here, that's fully caged and fully prepped for racing. So let's talk about this real quick.
Like I said, I'm going to have fender flares coming, new front end coming, already caged out. So once everything starts putting on, I'm going to have the hard top. We're going to be wrapping it in a dark gray wrap with some accents all over it. Flat black accents.
Battleship?
Battleship, yeah.
Oh.
Did you know that's actually a real color?
Yeah, no, I heard, yeah.
So yeah, we battleship gray wrap with flat black accents around it. Basically, I have the cognition wing in the back right there. We can see that all once it's all together.
Is this cage spec to any racing series? Because this thing is.
They say it's legal for NASA.
Okay.
And there's no logbook for it, but once I get it through the annual text, they'll give me a logbook, and we'll see if it passes. So
let's talk about these sexy wires sitting over here. This looks like a proper race car stuff. What is this? Everything's heat shrinked.
Yep, this is the K-Tune K20, K24 engine harness. All rate chem shrink wrapped. Everything has labels on it to where it goes. It's meant for a front wheel drive car, but I've cut a little of the shrinker tube back to make it work on a rear wheel drive. Had to extend a couple wires, but in a sense, it makes things super clean, easy to install, and overall, like I said, it really looks nice.
Yeah, nice. I love it. I love how it's labeled.
Yep.
Yeah, that's easy to track down what does what. Cool. How about the brake setup?
Brake setup, I'm probably gonna go with StopTech front and rear setup. ST40s in front. I think the ST22s in the rear, just to keep everything matching together. Of course, you use Hawk DTC70s for brake pads. Been using those for about almost 10 years now, and I really like them.
And then the tire?
Tires, probably for being in track mod, probably the Yokohama A052s. Debating between a 305 to 295 width tire, 30 series on an 18.
And that's a square, front and back.
Yeah, square.
Stupid size. So what's next for this car? You're gonna get some body kits and
yeah, body kit will be coming from Shine Auto Projects out of California. They're making out of their super hyperflex material that it's not a fiberglass, it's more like an OEM material where it can flex, and if it does hit anything, it's not going to explode like fiberglass does. It's going to be a spoon front end, Jay's Racing side skirts, and Jay's Racing rear fender flares.
Cool.
Yep.
So you're gonna put the engine back in, wire everything up.
Yep.
Do the suspension, and he says in 2 weeks this car would start.
Hopefully.
So we'll see how that happens. And when I come back in 2 weeks, FRS will be here again. So we'll be continuing the build series on that, and we got a bunch of surprises for that car as well.
Yep.
All right, guys, that's it. So just a quick update on what's going on with the FRS build, because a lot of you guys have been curious as to what's happening with that. It's still continuing. It kind of cloned itself, duplicated itself. But the build still continues. Just quick update for you guys. I'll see you in the next episode.